All right. Welcome everyone. This is Irvin here, aka TeamWithERVING. Welcome to another week. This is gonna be the full week analysis for July 27 to July 31st, 2020. So the importance of trading are multiple time frame. The best time to trade in Forex is trading with TeamWithERVING. You can find me on Facebook on Forex USA group or either on multiple time frame. Let's go. Remember, one simple rule is do not trade without rules. Always trade with rules. So let's go. And let me go ahead and give you the disclaimer before I forget, because sometimes I don't want to forget this. I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just another fellow trader here on YouTube looking at the market, same thing as you are doing. So our goal here is to collect hundreds of pips. Believe that we are trading with rules. We not just trading for fun and making fun of the market. We trading with a specific rule. And one quick thing before I move on to the next slide is, if you really want to come and take a look at it, join our YouTube channel, our Gold membership, and take a look at it. If you want to come and join and grab our multiple time frame, you are more than welcome to do so. But if you want to take a sneak peek of what we do behind scenes, get access to our full content. And then from there, you can decide, you know what, TeamWithERVING is for me. TeamWithERVING is not for me. So I just that what I want you to understand. So let's go. Let's make this clean and short. I want to keep this video under 15-20 minutes so you can watch this video over and over again. So what I'm going to be giving you guys today is I'm going to be showing you one trade with our dashboard and another trade without the dashboard. So in here on the dashboard, like I said on my pre-week, is you can click on any of the time frame here. It will take you there. So we're going to be trading. If you see here on NCD/USD, 4 hour has a signal. The daily is not ready. So it's contradicting. So at least we can see all of them at the same time and make a more educated decision. But I mean, that's what I'm going to be giving you guys all this. And the next thing is going to be our magic arrow here. When the signal come in, basically it trigger and market there, it trigger, it look down, and boom, market drop. Signal came in again, market went bullish, and boom. I told you the market was gonna do that. And that's what the market is doing. All right, let's go. Let's go to real time now. Let me show you exactly what the market is doing. Remember guys, these are not signals. This is just for educational purpose. But if you are using any software that is not our multiple time frame, go back and analyze it and say, yes, Irvin is for me. No, Irvin is not for me. So I want you guys to pay attention to that. All right. So look at here. The signal was triggered, and now look at what the market is giving us here. Market is giving us a sell position. Yes, it is. So what I'm expecting to see this week is to see 1 to 3 candles before the market drop down as a barrier, retesting our 38.2 Fibonacci. It's that simple. Don't overcomplicate it. And that's it. Don't overcomplicate it. Don't start adding a whole bunch of indicators that don't make sense. Just trade, man. This is support and resistance, guys. Look at the most obvious support and resistance, and boom, money in your pocket, because this is real time money. All right, let's go to the next pair. The next pair that I have here is our Euro JPY. Pay attention. I'm not showing you here the dashboard. See, the dashboard is not there. But what we're looking here is we're looking for the signal to get triggered, and it's telling us yes, the market is in a sell position. Yes, the market is in a buy position. Yes, the market is in a sell position. Guys, you guys gonna hear a little bit of back noise. I don't know if the system can pick up that noise, but I have some contractors working here in my home. You know, they doing some work, so just bear with them. The most important is to give you the content. All right, so what I'm looking here for the next step is to see the market still is not ready to drop yet. We're looking for 2-3 candles. Then the market was gonna do, once it's in that area, I'm looking for the market to do a bearish market, then a small pullback. We are coming back on Wednesday at 5 p.m. where we're gonna review the whole entire market all over again, so you can see how accurate I had done my analysis. If you feel that I need to work in a different area or improve one way or another, that's when I want you to come in and say, Irving, yes, can you do this different? Or Irving, I don't want to see the dashboard. Whatever is in your mind, that's what I want to be able to help you out. All right. So guys, if you guys are finding value of this, please give me a thumbs up. And if you think I deserve, to improve my AA skills, please also let me know below, because I'm here for you guys. All right. So let's go and move on to the next one. The next one is gonna be our USD-JPY. Someone sent me a message and said, Irving, please don't forget to analyze USD-JPY. Guess what? I'm not gonna do it. Hey, you send me that message. Hey, I take every single comment very, very seriously, because that is what I'm here for. All right, so I'm here to give you the best content ever for free. And I think I mentioned it, but let me remind you again, guys. If you guys want to take a sneak peek of how our Gold membership works, come and join us. Take a look at it. See how other traders, how we talk and do all the things behind the scene, and you can take a sneak peek of the system. And then if you want to join us forever, then you are gonna be there. But trust me, we are here. We are a team of professional traders. So let's go. So I just want you to pay attention to that. All right. So any questions so far? Look, I'm showing you here. This is the USD-JPY. The USD-JPY I'm showing you here with our dashboard. Look at the USD-JPY is telling the market is in a sell on 4 hours. Yes, it is. Look at, and then the daily is giving us a late signal. The weekly is giving us a late signal as well. So basically, this is not good. All right. So it's just telling that the market is not giving a clear signal. So that's what I want you to understand, what works best for you. For some traders, the dashboard will not make any sense. For other traders, they just want to see how the full system. And so, Irving, I just want to trade with a magic arrow and all the rules behind the scene. I like the dashboard, but I don't want to use it. Fine. That's why I created this, so you can have multiple different ideas. So what I'm expecting to see on this particular pair is I'm expecting to see the market to be in a bullish market, retesting our 38.2 Fibonacci line. Then the market is going to do a small pullback, retesting our 23.65, and then the market is going to be in a bullish position. It's that simple, guys. It's that simple. Keep this trading very, very simple. That is the only way that we are gonna be keeping this very simple. All right, so let's go and move on, and let's go and see the next pair. The next pair is gonna be our Euro-JPY. Look at here, without the dashboard, it's clearly telling us, look at that, sell, buy, sell, stock claim. So next week, guys, I'm gonna remove the symbol changer here, so you guys don't have to see that. I'm gonna remove it, to be honest, and keep everything more clean. But what I'm expecting to see here on the Euro-JPY, Euro-GBP, is I'm looking for a sell position. I'm looking for the market to retest our 50 Fibonacci. Then it's gonna do a small pullback, retesting our 50 to our 61 Fibonacci. Then the market will continue as bearish. So when you guys come back on Wednesday at 5 p.m., we're gonna review this live. So we are gonna be doing it behind scene, and I want you to join, ask questions, and like I said earlier, I want to help you. So if you guys want to come and join us, look at our Gold membership, take a look at it. And guys, one thing also that I really need to let you know is I am on multiple different social media. You can find me on Twitter, Pin, Instagram, Tweak, even WhatsApp. I have a WhatsApp link in the description of this channel, so you can look at it. And join our Facebook Forex USA group and multiple time frame system. So I am TeamWithERVING. So I'm pretty everywhere, guys. So I just want you to be in there and look at it with me at the same time. All right. So some others say, Irvin, if I search you on Google, can I find you? Well, this is what you're gonna see. Let me show you. See, I told you it's everywhere. So let's go. Let's keep this nice and clean. Let's go and move on to the next pair here. The next pair that I have here, I love this one. This is the USD peso. Oh my goodness, this pair, if you trade it successfully, this one will retire you. A lot of people don't like the Mexican style, but let me tell you this, guy, this pair here is a beast. If you master everything, it's a beast. Look at here, the dashboard is in there. So what I'm expecting to see on this particular pair here, I'm expecting the market to drop and retest our 23 to our 0 Fibonacci line, do a small pullback, and then the market will continue as a bearish. I'm looking here, this market here on this particular pair is a bearish position. It's that simple, man. Really, guys, believe me, don't overcomplicate it. Just keep this simple. All right, is that then? You guys have any question, guys? Any question? Let me go ahead and read the chart because I'm here live. So I don't know if you guys have not subscribed, but if you have not subscribed, please do so. It's free. It's not gonna cost you anything. If you want to join our gold membership, yes, it's a small fee on it. You can come and take a look at it. But you know, all you gotta do is join us and give us your opinion. All right. So let's go to the next slide, and so we can keep this nice and clean because this is on fire. A lot of people send me a message on this particular pair to say, Irvin, please, can you analyze Euro AUD? I have this software, and this software is doing that. But when you do your videos, it shows something else. Well, I am TeamWithERVING. I trade with very religiously rules. I follow my rules by my teeth. So if my rules are telling me, Irvin, the market is bearish, or the market is doing bullish, I trade with rules, period. You don't have to like what I do here, but one thing that we have to agree is how we take our trades. All right, so look at what our brothers and sisters are telling us. Yes, Irvin, the market is in a bullish position. Boom! Market is doing that. I call this Mr. Fernando's strategy. This is what one of our senior traders came up with this one and said, Irvin, I want to take my money on every retracement I see. All right, remember, we are trading with rules. So he said, okay, Irvin, I want to take my money here. Fine. So now I love his strategy. He's a good guy. So now what we're looking here is we're looking for the market to drop down, retest our 23.6 Fibonacci line. From that point on, market is gonna do a small pullback, going bullish, and that's why we're gonna come back and reanalyze this market on Tuesday at 5 p.m. Eastern time. I'm sorry, Wednesday at 5 p.m. Eastern time. On Tuesday, I'm gonna go live with my team, and we have a very amazing announcement that is coming. If you want to be part of that one, join our gold membership on YouTube. So like that, you are aware of it, and trust me, you will not regret it. All right, let's go. And guys, please, if you have not watched the pre-week analysis, please do so. What I did on that one, I put the AUD Canadian. I told you the market was gonna do this here. I want you to watch the video. And also I gave you the GBP USD as well. This is one of the most requested pairs that Irvin also analyzed this pair here. Also, another highly requested video chart was the Euro USD, and another one amazing that everyone wants to see. No matter what, even if I don't do any analysis, they really wants to see gold. And this is what I said. Look at here, gold is gorgeous, guys. Watch the video. I'm not gonna analyze this all over again, but look at here, gold is getting a sexy move, guys. Oh my goodness, it's really sexy. But that's what it is. So I don't know if Mr. Wendell is on live right now, because Mr. Wendell, there is one thing that I need to ask you. Do you guys have any question, guys? Any question? Remember, we are gonna make a huge announcement this coming Tuesday. I want you to be part of it. Don't miss it. Don't miss it. If you missed it, well, it's you. But it's coming, and it's gonna be explosive. Because here at TeamWithERVING, that's how we do things. Mr. Wendell, do you have any questions? Because if you don't have any question, guess what I'm gonna do next? Can you try to figure it out? Well, you said it. The dragon is coming. Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out. Ready? 1, 2, let's go! Alright guys, thank you so much for coming on board, and I will see you back on Tuesday. Take care. God bless you. Bye-bye.